Now it's time for Z's Garden on Nick Jr.
We got little green fingers. What hangs in the garden and is nice for birds? We're making a bird cage. In the winter, when there's not much food about, help feed the birds. Now find a nice pot. How about a nice yogurt?
Make a nice big hole. We get the string. That'll be about enough. Okay, Sid, cut it just there.
Put a piece of string through it.
And we tie a knot in it. There's one.
Then add lots of fruit, nuts,
Nice big handful.
and seeds
Looking good.
to some hot fat. And mix.
Okay, we're going to put it in the pots now. Push it down. Put it in that one. There we go.
So messy and mucky.
Push it down. Well done.
Now put it in the fridge to go hard. Now hang them up.
There we go. Sid, you first. Here we go.
No. Make sure the cats can't reach it.
Perfect, thank you. Sid, you hold that like that, and we'll find a rod for you to put it on.
I'm done. That's really high up.
Excellent, well done. There we go.
Tasty. We made bird cake. Why don't you make one too?